So you can see on the left hand side there, they're actually testing the screen on the side of the east stand. It's Wednesday the 13th of February. I'm back at the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium just to see what's new and what's different, so I'm going to walk around the stadium now. So I'm just going to walk down Worcester Avenue now, have a look what's happening at the east stand side. So we've got a little glimpse here of the pitch inside the stadium bowl.
You're not going to Wembley today? Going to Wembley? Nice.
So work continues here on the tiling and the paving. So as I showed you on the weekend update, these trees have actually been planted. This is right near where the away fans will go in. And you can see here as well, just under the tiling of N17, London N17, are more trees ready to be planted on this side. So panels are actually being installed on the left side of the east stand. And you've probably noticed it is busier, a lot busier than it was on Sunday. And these are about to be installed as well. So if you are an away fan, chances are you will go up these steps. They got a lift here as well on this corner, as they have every corner of this stadium. The disabled access actually around this stadium is excellent. And a little bit more panel work as well. So this is the east stand. This is the new screen and they are testing it. Loving the blue and white, I'm not sure about the red. So there's a number of guys up there at the moment working on the panels. There's only this section actually to finish now. If you think actually it was only about a week ago, I was standing in exactly the same place and they were still putting parts of this screen up. So it does show on how quickly things can be done. The latest announcement from the club actually announced that we would play the Arsenal game at Wembley Stadium. but we are now waiting for another announcement whether we will actually play a Premier League game here this season. I personally hope so. This here on the left is actually where I drove in on the NFL screening night to the underground car park. You can see it's certainly a lot busier than the weekend. They're waving up there. It's very nice of them. Just gave them a wave and they've waved back. These panel workers. So I'm just going to walk around now to have a look at the south stand. So the screen testing on the east stand now has actually stopped. So that was perfect timing actually. Hopefully next time they do it, they will remove the colour red. So this is the south stand. Of course will hold 17,500 fans. And they're actually working on the metal strips at the moment. More deliveries to the stadium site. Always deliveries here. So, anyone up for a bit of abseiling once this stadium is open? I know I actually mentioned this a few months ago and said I was scared of heights. And a Spurs fan called Tim, he actually said, I'll hold your hand up there. So I don't know, I might give it a go. After all, it is Tottenham, and the views will be fantastic. So you can see that a lot of this white metal framework has been put in, blocking the square off. They have also sectioned this area off as well. And another Tottenham logo. So I have just been told that the white material is actually called fridge panel, and the fridge panel is actually insulated as well. This grey panel at the top is decorative, and they actually are going to be continuing with this grey panel all of the way down Park Lane, covering up the blue and white hoardings. So they will be doing this in the next week or so. It's just so all of this area just blends into the stadium. So I'm going to walk down the high road now. It's the first time I've actually seen someone sit on these seats here. So you can see right in the centre of the screen now, they are actually testing out the floodlights as well in Tottenham blue. These buses always ruin my shot. So a little bit of work going on in the Tottenham Experience, Warmington House. This is why I like to visit here during the week, because you just see so much more going on. So just walking down the high road now, this is the entrance to the West Stand. It does actually look like they are replacing a glass panel on the roof there. This screen here on the west side is exactly how the east side one will be finished as well. So one of the glass panels are just about to be lifted in. And you can see there's another few waiting to go in. So they've actually sectioned off the front of the West Stand at the moment. So I've been told actually that they are actually replacing 5 pieces of broken glass here at the West Stand reception. While you've got that going on, you've got more paving going by.
I mean, these guys are master.
So that's one of the 5, just about to go in. And there are the others. I was a little bit late to film it, but they're actually testing the lifts in the reception of the West Stand as well. And it's really noticeable, so much more lighting has been installed here as well, all around the stadium. So just as I was saying about the lighting, another light here is being worked on. As I said the other day, it's really nice to see all of the finishing touches. And this is the latest at the ticket office at the moment. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Come on you Spurs.